Hey guys, welcome back one more time, and this is Sid from Hangar Trading and welcomes you back in my video. In this video we are going to discuss the entries and exits of today's trade, because see, by showing the profits you guys are going to appreciate the profits and saying congratulations, but that doesn't mean you are going to learn something. By showing profits it's not make any sense, so I have decided to not show my profits and I'm going to show my exits and entries, and what are my stop loss and how many trades I have took on this trade. And the thing is, today's market was a very beautiful moment it has given, and it's made me to book a very huge profits. Okay, so let me open my Discord server, and let me show you the image has been shared there, and let me show you that what are the entries and exits, right? So we'll open the first image. Okay, I think this is the last image I have seen, and let's go to the first image. Okay, here it is. Do you see a time execution as a 9:20? Let me see, is it possible to zoom it? Here you go. In the morning what I did, I have just bought some quantities at the price of 18,570. Let me show you on this chart. The reason made me to buy here, that was a pin bar here, and we have some gap up strategy. So whatever the resistance that I am getting on the pure point, that was my target at the first time initial price. So I have bought some quantities here and it made some retracement, and again market made continuing the rally. The thing what happened, see, whatever my stop loss was here, I have just trailed here. This is one of the trailing stop loss here. This is one of the techniques that I used to teach in my course, and how you can trail your stop loss by using a high currency as well as the price action, right? Because we don't know how the market will going to behave and how it will going to take a, what you call that, actions, or the price action whenever the market will going to take return or turn back as a reversal market. So it's it's your duty or it's your responsibility to keep the stop loss on the screen, not on the screen, not with your broker, because the most of the mentors or traders who will going to suggest that keep your stop loss in your mind. If something happen whenever the market or fall like anything at the time, your mind will not going to stop the losses, the broker will going to stop the losses. So always keep a stop loss on the broker side. See what happened next few minutes, that this big candle was took my stop loss. And it's not like every time we will get a profitable trade itself, right? Because the morning, from morning 9:15 to 9:45 was a very chop market. So whenever you are going to trade in this time, so be punctual, that fix your targets and fix your what do you call that, targets or profits. If you are earning 5 to 10 points, then book your profits. Otherwise trail your stop loss. So the reason behind the trailing my stop loss was, the open of the candle was here, and this candle closed above that candle, so it made me to confirm that still market may reach here. So that was I have trailed my stop loss from here to here. And there is one more pattern that we teach in our course, that what is the reason behind that to trailing my stop loss here. If you want, then you can join our course, then we are going to teach you here. And the thing what happened, sudden very huge fall has been happened, and the next candle itself, my stop loss has been hit. So if you are waiting for one more thing, and if you are not a very gap up and gap down trader, then you could have waited. And here exactly what happening, a double top has been forming. So this could be the another opportunity to short, but while hitting my stop loss, the already market went till here, right? So I haven't took any action here. So the next thing what I did was, let's go to the screenshot and I will show you my next entry what is was. See, I have shorted at 18,505, right? 505, that's almost here, this trade, right? This trade I have just shorted here, and I have just booked my profit over here. Why over here? Because I thought the market closing the resistance below, then at least it will going to retrace some points and come back. That was my expectation, but there are some other things also you should keep in eye, that exactly what happening in the higher time frame and what are the things you need to see in the higher time frame before trailing your stop loss. The thing is, whenever market close below 50 EMA, so it will try to reach at 200 EMA. In on the morning live session with Sandeep, he is one of my students. I was telling that today or tomorrow the market will reach as 200 EMA, but we don't know exactly when it will reach, but it will reach. That's the strategy that we are going to teach on the EMAs, because EMAs are the uh, impulse of the market. So so give me a sec. Okay, sorry for that. There is a strategy that we are going to teach on the EMA, that or possibility that whenever price closes here and there, it will try to reach there. That's the strategy of EMA, right? So the thing is, I was expecting the price to come till here because it's not far away, it's already closed below of this resistance. So I'm expecting to get the price whenever it is going to reach here, that I was executed on the market, but it didn't happen. The thing, there are some other strategy or some other things that we are going to look at. So that reason, what I did was, I have just trailed my stop loss from above this candle to here. So at least I'm going to book some points. Okay, the same next candle, it's executed my trail stop loss, so I was in profit of 50 points here. Remember, the previous trade was a loss, and here the 50 points profit. And the next thing itself, again there is a thing that we have seen on the high time frame, that's will going to show the opportunities and some other tactics that we will only learn in our trading course, because these are the secrets. Trust me, these are the secrets was never told by even my mentors. Even I have paid a lakhs up to earn these secrets from those things, but even I haven't learned from there. It's whatever these things I have learned from my experience. So the next thing what I did was, this is my third entry. Let me show you on the order here. See here, this is my 505 was my short sell, and this is my 450 was my profit booking, right? So the next thing what I was did, that see, after 50, 67, 184.67 was my buying price, and my 184.87 was my selling point. Only 20 points made, but it's made a very good profits on the high leverage, right? High leverage, even 1 points make a very good profits, but until and unless you should know the market direction. So that was we are using the Hacknashes and the smart candles to identify the market trends, and we will go into trade according to that. So here is my third trade, 20 points profit. Okay, deal. Again the next thing here, after that, here the 18,517 was executed. I have bought one more stock. Let me know, I think I have missed this on plotting on the chart. Let me go and check exactly where did I took this entry. Okay, on the 10th, sorry, on 10 o'clock and 29 minutes, this order has been executed. So let me check exactly where did I execute it, and let's go to the chart and see. 10 o'clock and 27, yeah, somewhere around here, right? I think I have missed this entry on the chart, so let me make clear. So around, this was my entry around, this is where somewhere my entry, and this is my stop loss. So what happened here was, so what I was expecting, that we have used the Fibonacci tool to identify the retracement of this trend. So there is a one trend, a sharp trend has been happened, and till how much this trend will going to continue. So for that, what I was using, I have used the Fibonacci tools, and we have got some targets. It has hit, there is no doubt that it has hit whatever my target was here. See, this is my target, it has hit, but the thing is, before hitting my stop loss, it just trailed, it's just whatever I'm trailing the stop loss, it hit my trail stop loss, but then also I am in profit of few points. It's 11 point, whatever the 11 point is I have booked here, that was my profit I have made. Otherwise I could have made around 20 to 30 points profit here also, right? So this thing happened here again. This is also plus trade, and the next trade which I have bought at 76, see here, and while trailing my stop loss, it hit my stop loss, right? So here is not a big deal, so there is no profit because whatever the trails or trailing stop loss was hit, so whatever the break even, even the 2 points I need to pay here the break even, right? So there is nothing profit and losses here. So you need to understand the trailing the stop loss when or when you should not, okay, because trailing the stop loss is must if you are getting a very good opportunities. And we will check this order in the next page. So we will go to our Discord app where I have shared my all my entries and exits. Here it is, open original, and it will going to show you on the screen. So we have just discussed about this two where it hit my break even point, okay. So the next trade was that we are going to discuss this one. I have shorted at this price 575, right? So 575 at 1230. So the next thing itself, I just go to the trade and 1235 on this candle. On this candle I have shorted, right, on the 75. Let me check what was my entry. 575 was the short selling price. Let's go to the chart, and according to our setups that we are going to make entries on based on the price actions, and it's not compulsory to execute on the market. We have some order type and order also, there is some use of using those order types, right? So we will teach also those when to use, on which price action, on which particular price action, which type of order you should use. Remember this, okay, because no one will go to teach you that which order type you should use while using which price action. It's important, remember guys, it's important. Not every time you should execute the market order, because especially in intraday and scalping, the order types matters a lot, okay. So let me go that we have executed our trade here, right, and this is my stop loss. So whatever happened on this time, it's tell that there is nothing to do and no action to be taken, that we are going to learn in the TDR, and we are the only educational trading educational our academy, or whatever you call our team, you call our educational academy, you call, we are the only person who is teaching the entries or how to use the TDI right now in India, okay, because in other countries most of the traders are already using. And one of my favorite from where I have learned from, that's ASFX, okay, from here I have learned, but I haven't joined his course, but I have learned by sharing whatever he is sharing the knowledge on the YouTube, okay. So if you want to learn the how to use the TDI, this is the complete combination of RSI and moving average, and it works better than a simply naked RSI, okay. If you want to learn the seriously about this, how to use this indicator, then join our course. When the price action, even in the price action we are going to teach this, okay. So the thing is, here I have shorted, and whatever you see, after some time the market is trading below the 60 line, and even we have a very good strategies on that, and again, that what we did, we have just added some quantities here. Whenever we will get a confirmation that market will going to go down more, or we will get some more confirmation, we are going to add the quantity. It's not like that you have some around 10 lakh rupees of capital, you are going to invest the entire capital in the first trade itself. No, don't do that. That's we are going to learn in a money management system, that how you can use your capital, right? And how the lot size is important, because even I have joined a many trading courses in India, that's no one teach me about lot management. This is a very important things to learn while learning the stock market course, because if you're a mentor, if you're a teacher, he is not teaching about the lot management, then you have wasted your money, right? So the next trade was here, and the reason behind this booking a stop loss, sorry, booking with the target was a very good. That what I was expecting, that when this candle has closed below the CPR level, so I was expecting the market at least it will reach a S1, but it haven't. So the thing is, what I did, rather than keeping my stop loss, trail stop loss on top of the candle, so what I did, I have just placed above the CPR. If the CPR also breaks, then no need to worry, because I am booking a very good profits here, right? So this is how I have executed the another trade, which is in green. So I think if someone other traders might be, they could have happy with that, the most of the all the trades where green expect this is the first trade, right? Here one more trade I haven't mentioned on the screen, but remember this is also one more trade. So the next thing what happened, that this trade, let me explain you, let me go to the screen and see where exactly I have made the execution. See, sell at 513, right? I have sold at 513. Let's go to the chart and check where the price will going to come. Here it is 513. We have a very good price action that we will teach, guys. The thing is, you don't need to get entry and on each and every price action. We will teach you the most powerful price action. When you get entry on such a price action, obviously the market will move nothing but something, right? Because sometimes something is better than nothing. So the thing is, what I did, I have just shorted here. This was my stop loss. Okay, the whatever the next the resistance or support that was getting on the indicator, that's my target. Done, right? Done. This is exactly how you should trade, because in intraday expecting a very huge target is a bit too much dangerous, rather than getting a some amount that each and every time we are going to lose the amount, right? Earn it. It's not like you should need a lakhs of money or bundles of money. No, even with me on Discord on live trade, this all trade has been executed. He is maintaining only 1000 capital and made 4k. Almost we haven't doubled the money, we have already made a 3% of ROI, right? So this is a thing how you can implement your trading, that what are the things you should keep in mind and what are the things you should not, right? And these all are my entries and exits. If you are just counted, this is one trade, second trade, and there is one more trade I have just missed. 3 4 5 trades is my win ratio and one is loss. Now you should consider what exactly the strategy I do follow on the stock market to get enter or exit, right? These are not only the things that we should implement. The main concept is that, see, always trading, while you trade, right, just follow the rules and follow the most powerful price action that will going to hold your hand while booking the profits, right? So, and there is one more thing that I need to tell you, that see, whenever you use the RSI, right, don't use it naked. If you have very good confidence about the naked using the naked RSI, then you can go with that. But it's my request that if you learn from anywhere, it's while paying the amount to the course, or if you're from learning from the free also, learn from anywhere, but the thing is learn how to use TDI, right? This is one of the most useful indicator on the trading market or stock market that I have seen. It's not like it will going to work on only this chart pattern. No, it will going to work on anything, a cryptocurrency, a forex, a chart, even in option trading, that we are going to use this. That's because this will give a very good results, right? So these all are my entries and exits that I have explained. But only one thing is, remember, don't simply concentrate on the profits whenever traders shows you. Concentrate on ROI, return on investment, because the most of the people, and very many times you will get a message like, why you don't share your profits in a lakhs? Boss, are you kidding me? Why should I show you? The thing is, you are just worrying about my profit, that 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. Have you ever thought that to make 1 lakh, how much I am going to invest, or how much should I maintain my capital? Where already CB has already every margin has been reduced. There is no margin equal, right? So whenever you see the profits of the traders who is showing on the screen and mobiles and Instagram reels, it's my humble request, don't see their profits, see their entries and exits. That's will going to refine a lot. You are going to learn something from there by getting the entries and exits. Why did they have entered in this market and why they haven't, right? Even it's not like those people were not making, obviously they are making money in the stock market, but the thing is, what you need to show or what you need to do, the thing is, see, always concentrate on entry exits rather than the profits. Because right now in India, if someone is showing lakhs of profit, then he is maintaining in CR, okay, his capital in CR and he is showing in lakh. It's not like that, right? What the retail traders will go, or Babre, somewhat he is making only 3 lakhs of a profit, and he is a good trader. Obviously he is a good trader, he is managing his risk portfolio, his risk to reward and entries and exits. But the thing is, rather than concentrating on the profit and loss, I would like to suggest go with the entries and exits. And if he is sharing, if he is not sharing, it's up to you, okay? So these are my entry and exits. And there is one more thing I would like to tell you, that the reason why I was so ready to take these trades, because of this thing, narrow CPR. Okay, the narrow CPR will going to define that today Diwali will going to happen in the market, so you can book your Diwali's gifts and you can enjoy the targets today. And market will be a very momentum market that we are going to get. The how to decide that narrow CPR will going to teach you or tell you that these things or these kinds of a market movements that we can expect today. Okay, so these are the things that I would like to explain you in this today's video. And if you have any good doubts, yes, very good doubts, if you have any good doubts, then don't hesitate to ping me or DM me, or join my Discord channel or Discord server, right? And here we are going to discuss and or share any screenshot and all those things. If you are live, if you have already joined our Hanker trading Discord channel, then today I went live on complete day from 9:15 to 3:15. I was live on Discord. So if you are with me, you could have take all these opportunities. Okay, so this is one of the plus point of joining our Discord server. So if you are looking for something to join and chat, and you can come and join here. So if you don't know how to use the Discord, then Google it, because Google is one of the best search engine that will give you the most relevant answers. Okay, so this is the thing, and these are my entries and exits. So at last I would like to say thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Yeah, have a happy trading.